How do you know when the time is to change the battery or accumulator, like in new cars right now with your remote control? It unfortunately happens all of a sudden, so you wouldn't have a chance to actually figure it out what's happening. You will just go lock your car and then you will not be able to get in, unless you're happy, and sometimes it might still work. You could try to get your key as close to your car as to the ignition key port as possible, and it possibly would start. um, Anyways, you have no chance. You will be able to lock it, but you will not be able to unlock it because the battery doesn't keep the charge anymore. So what I did, this happened with my Land Rover. It has been working fine for many years. uh, but um, but then this happened. Well, I just know that there's also in any car there is an option that you could do emergency opening just with a key. You will figure it out. um, so in this case, the problem is that the accumulator batteries, they're not easy to actually find in the shop. So if you go to the shop, you will probably find similar, just regular battery. So you probably be having a choice to just use the regular battery for as a temporary solution, and then just get the accumulator battery and replace it when you have it. The problem also is if you go to dealership or to mechanics, they will not probably be looking for the solutions like opening the key and unsoldering. They probably will have just the same problem as you, as there is no batteries sold separately. So the solution here, you go to eBay and then you will find the exactly what you want. That is easy. I was lucky that I've had the replacement key just in case, just new one I bought recently a few months ago. Before that happened, from eBay. There are many platforms where you can buy it from. So just keep in mind that this problem could happen with anyone all of a sudden when you're not ready. But please prepare yourself. Good luck.